Ivy, we are going in Dollar General to check out their 3-day sale. Let's go. Okay, the first thing on the list for the 3-day sale, guys, I'm going to always go to the food because I know people did not get their SNAP benefit. So let's scan the Campbell's soup. The Campbell's is originally $1.35. They have a deal that makes them 5 for $5. Now, these are the Campbell Kitchen Soup Classics, so they are the good ones, okay? So you can grab 5 of those, and we're going to pick 5 of those in. Okay, guys, do not include this one because that one is not included. It's just the Campbell Kitchen Classics, all right? And then we have chicken noodle, beef and barley, loaded potato, ham, and bean, and then you have tomato basil, okay? So make sure you pick wisely which one you're gonna do. Also starting with their 3-day sale is the Clover Valley soups. They're originally $1. They're on sale for 3 days, 2 for $1. Now I'm gonna tell you guys, I do use their Clover Valley, like their cream soups from Dollar General. Make sure you scan $1. And we see that they are 2 for $8, so they are 50 cents each. And I'm gonna grab some cream of celeries because I need those for some Thanksgiving meals that I am going to be buying, okay? Now, you could pick a number of Clover Valleys. You could also the cream of chicken. They have, oh, I never tasted that one. And they have cream of mushroom, all right? So that 3-day sale is from 11/6 to 11/8. So that means all the way to Saturday. You can use your 5 off 25 during this week also. Okay, now the deal right here is on the pepperoni, those little original slices right here. They're originally $2.50. They on sale 3 for $5. Now my kids, I make stuffed bread with these. With the pepperoni, it's 50 slices. So I'm gonna grab 3 of these. It's because I make stuffed pepperoni pizza bread with it for. So we're gonna put 3 of those there also. Now the 3-day sale right here is on the Hormel chili. It's Hormel period. Sorry for the noise, guys. And it's originally $2.75. They're on sale 3 for $5. Now you could do the chili, and you could do the beef and chili sauce tamales, okay? So those are 3 for $5. They gave you a lot of picks you can choose from, that's for sure. So, and then what is that? Chili with turkey beans you can do. Okay, the Dentamore beef stew is $3.50. It's on sale 2 for $6. Well, that's gonna last to November 15th. Excuse my nails. I've been doing last minute gardening, guys. I hate to show my nails and they look like that. Okay, Hormel smoked ham is $2.50. And they're on sale 3 for $5. Too much sodium for you, girl. Let's go right over here to the sodas, and they are 5 for $5. And as you can see, early activation, they start clearing it out way earlier than that. So I'm going to do the RC. The RC is originally $1.95, and they have their 3-day sale 5 for $5. This is 11/6 to 11/8. So you could pick up the RC, Sunkist, and 7-Up. Yeah, next sale is going to be on the Bugles. They are $1. Let's scan them. They are $1 right here. And then they are buy 2, get 1 free. So you get 3 bags for $2. So 3 bags for $2. You got that. Buy 3. You're going to pay 66 cents each for them. So I'm going to pick up 3 bags. And I like the cheddar one, so I'm going to grab those, all right? That's what we're looking at right now. And that is not all, guys. 3-day sale also extend into the tonic waters, those energy drink waters. They are save 50 cents, but it's a 3-day sale. You're gonna save 50 cents instantly, and they are 2 for $4. So they're $2 each, and they're originally $2.15 or $2.65. So they lowered them down. And you have the pumpkin puree 2 for $2. They're originally $1.50 each, right here. and then 2 for $2. Now you do have candy 3 for $5. And we come right here, and it is the Skittles gummies. They're originally $2.75 right here, and then you have a 3 for $6 or $2 each. My kids are still loaded with candy from Halloween. The boys are included in this 3-day sale is 50% off outdoor decorations. It's gonna be inflatables, yard signs, any decorative boxes. I'm trying to see if it's gonna put lights up here, because this is a good deal if you can grab this. And I don't see any light. There they are, holiday stake lights. Let's scan some lights. Okay, I scanned these lights and they still came up $2. So I guess they're not including them on here, guys. $2. Okay, here it is right here. This decorative inflatable is $8, and when I scanned it, it came up $4. So it's those inflatables, we know for sure. Okay, guys, so if we come over here to the game right here, Game Ultra Oxy Febreze, $9.95, $3 off coupon, $6.95. I scanned. Now here it is for $9.95. When on Sunday, when I did the do now deals and the coupon preview, that I didn't have a $3 coupon. I had the 5 and I had that 2. So I now have 2 coupons, but all 3 of those are Dollar General coupons. So if you're gonna use it, I would use it just like this, any day deal, or you have to go over by $3 to cover that, or over by $2 to cover that, or over by $5 on a game purchase, period. All 3 of these do not stack together. So this week we can get game wasted. Same with Target, the $9.95 pods, $2 coupon. So I did not get anything extra with that. A 2-day deal right here, the Quilted Northern, $9 right here. 2 for $15. Make them $7.50 each. The Mr. Clean mops. Okay, let's scan that. $9. Nothing else. Went down from $13 to $9. Okay, let me show you something new that popped up for me. See, the Airwick 4 count is $10. $10. Spend 20, save 5. $1.50 off, limit of 2. So you also, these 2 coupons stack, remember that, a DG and a manufacturer coupon stack, so it's $8 off actually. And I see a Halloween table, guys, right up here, so I'm gonna just review it, and after that, that's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share Ivy's coupon count, because we don't gatekeep around here. And go get this food. Wow, look at that, 50% off right here. And here it is right here, 50% off all they candy, everything.